What is up, guys? Sorry for the late thing. We didn't show you the hotel yet, but we're walking around Hawaii right now. This is what it looks like. There's a lot of tall buildings. Sadly, most of them are just apartments, but now we're just walking down to see if we can find any stores. We're just looking to experience the Hawaii shopping experience right now.
And as you can see right now, we are heading towards Waikiki Beach. And later,
yeah, later we're gonna go on a cruise. Later, we'll show you that later with fireworks and stuff. And also, there's one of those little tour buses where you can like go on top and stuff. That's pretty cool. You don't see that. You don't see that in where we live. This is pretty cool. Okay, we might go on this one time also. So yeah, we'll update you later.
Hey guys, welcome back to Shri and Shiv Plays. In this video, we are going to walk from our hotel to Waikiki Beach and main shopping strip on Kalakua Avenue. Known as the heart of Waikiki, Kalakua Avenue is where locals and tourists go for shopping at its best. Palm tree lined and home to award-winning restaurants, you'll find stores like Prada, Vera Wang, Gucci, Tiffany & Co., and Chanel, as well as Kona Coffee, Hawaiian jewelry, and bookstores.
I mean, if I can afford it, we're just walking down here right now. There's a lot of nice restaurants and markets for shops and stuff here. Oh, this is pretty cool over there. There's a lot of very common. This place, so yeah.
sunset, guys. It's nice with the pond. Yeah. So as you can see right now, we're walking along the Waikiki Beach. It's right there. So guys, as you can see, we're here at the Waikiki Beach, which is actually really small, and as you can see the sunset over there. It's nice. And then you see that black line, and they blocked it off so that no waves come in, and it's much safer for children, as myself. Look at the sunset, guys. It's nice with the pond. Yeah.
So this is black and white?
Yeah, black and white.
And you do both the black and white or color?
Black and white.
Hawaii Street. Hawaii Street.
There is also an international marketplace, which is a mall and has its own special restaurants with hula dance and shops. On the way, you can meet with exotic birds, which you can hold and pet them, which was a fantastic experience.
Guys, that's a person. It's not a statue. Guys, that's a person. It's not a statue.
We did some shopping and finished our dinner, and then we went back to the hotel.
And now, guys, we've been walking for a really long time.
We went to shop and got some
cookies. Yep.
because why not? So anyways, we're going to board the cruise right now. We're just going to the room to get our dad, and then we can walk to the cruise area.
Yep.
So
We're just like headed there now.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.